And see the density of the frontal, it's not too dense, which will make the hair looking bulky on the top, and it's not thin at all. It's very ideal density of the frontal. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice here. Today's video, let me show you the 13x6 HD lace wig. In previous video, we have shown you the 5x5 closure wig, and this one is a 13x6 HD lace wig. First, let's see the inside structure, and this is a band which can adjustable with your head size. And let's see the lace. This is 13x6 one. You can see this is 13 inches deep and 13 inches from here, ear to ear. We have upgraded the technology of the ventilation and also the thickness of the wig. Please see the hair. And first, let's see the HD lace. See how invisible and how it melts with the skin. Let me show you with my hand. And it's actually melt with the skin, no matter what complexion, and it melt well with your skin. And this lace is a genuine lace. There is no issue for shrinking after washing, and this lace is very strong but stretchable, and it's very durable and long lasting, not like other type of a fake HD which is very thin and break up very easily. This one is very strong but stretchable and long lasting, durable. And also, let's see the ventilation work of our hair. See, this front side is very much realistic with a very realistic hairline and a baby hair. And see the ventilation work in front, and the knot is also very realistic, including this inside. It's very well knotted, ventilated here. This is a Remy hair wig, and see how great is the quality of our Remy hair, and see the softness, silky, and backside. Now we see it on the mannequin. So if you want HD lace wig, no matter 5x5 HD lace, 13x6 frontal wig, you can just put order on our website. You can also contact us on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video. If you want the best HD lace wig, and you can contact us or place the order on www.joicehair.com. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great day.